Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Google Fiber, which is an internet provider known for its blazing fast speeds and no data caps. But before we begin, you can check out the link in the description to see if Google Fiber is available in your area. So first we need to understand what is Google Fiber. So Google Fiber is a high-speed internet service that offers 1 Gbps and 2 Gbps fiber optic plans with no contracts, no data caps, and reliable performance. It is basically available in selected US cities and is also expanding to other countries gradually. So if I talk about the pros, so with the help of it you are going to get ultra fast speeds, and as I said earlier, up to 2 Gbps for seamless streaming, gaming, and work. There is no data caps, so you are going to get unlimited internet with no throttling. The pricing is also quite straightforward. There is no hidden fees or long-term contracts, and the performance will also be reliable because it is the product from Google. So reliability is one of the best things that you are going to get. You will get consistent speeds even during the peak hours. So if I talk about the cons, so the only con that I found about it is that it is only available in the US, and in the US as well, only available in the selected cities, so it has limited availability. So if you need fast reliable internet for work, gaming, or streaming, and Google Fiber is available in your area, it is one of the best choices out there. There is no data caps, transparent pricing, excellent speed that makes it a top tier internet provider. So if you want to check its availability, I will put the link of it down in the description, so you will redirect on this website, and here once you click on the check availability, you will find whether it is available in your city or not. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.